Hi, this is Nishka from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and we're here with another fun product spotlight for you. Today we're going to be highlighting our brand new, exclusive to Eureka, Krakovski Crystal Fancy Stones. And I just wanted to show you a small selection of some of the beautiful colors that I've pulled out that are going to be great for this season, and also lots of new shapes that we never had before. But before I get started, make sure to check out the rest of our channel, hit like and subscribe, and leave us a comment somewhere. We really like hearing from you. So today we are showing off just a small selection of our beautiful new line of Krakovski crystals. So as everyone knows, it's been a bit of a confusing time with Swarovski, and we're really not sure how things will look going forward, what will be available, whether or not even the name Swarovski will be allowed to be used for the brand, even if some of the items are still available. So what we decided to do is to go ahead and launch our very own selection of high quality crystal fancy stones so that beaders do not have to worry about there being a gap in their availability of beautiful stones to make gorgeous jewelry. I just wanted to highlight some of the new things that we will have and show you up close how they look from the front, from the back. So let's get started over here because these big ones are really catching my eye. These are 13 by 18 millimeter ovals, and here's three colors out of a very wide range that we'll have. And we are looking at vitriol rose, which is really beautiful stone. Look at how it flashes with green around the edges and this beautiful hidden rose in the center, almost fuchsia color. And the back is shiny, so that really adds to some of that beautiful sparkle. The next one is vitriol light, which is more silvery on the edges and a little bit more purple in the middle, but still has this very soft, beautiful color. And finally, of this selection here, I pulled out a very deep color, and this one is a violet blue, also in that same shape, oval, fancy stone. So these Krakovski crystals are stunning, high quality, beautiful. This one has a foil back, as you can see. So those large ovals, perfect for focal pieces. They're also small enough to use in bracelets and also earrings. And if you want to move on to something a little bit smaller that is a perfect for earrings, or to use multiples in one design, we have the 10 by 14 millimeter ovals, and we have lots and lots of options for colors, but I pulled out some of my favorite ones here. So this Aqua AB is so pretty. Just look at it. It's such a summery color. It really makes you think of just like surfing, the Pacific Ocean, just vacation vibes right here. And the back has this lacquer finish that is very similar to what you would see on a Swarovski Delight coating. Very pretty. This next one is violet blue. So you can see these nice little pulls of violet, of blue, some fuchsia, and a little bit of topaz in there as well. This one has also a foil back. Nicely done. Quality edging. And you can see that its profile is not super deep or thick. So it's really nice to make nice, comfortable jewelry with these guys too. Nothing's going to poke you in the neck. This one is a majestic blue, so pretty similar, but you see this one flashes mostly blues. It seems almost to have a little pastel kind of blue gradation in there. As you can see, the violet blue has a lot more of a purple tones. And the next one is a violet AB, which is more purpley. So you can see the difference here. And the backing is a lacquer backing. This one also has a lacquer backing. So, but aren't these all beautiful together? Just such pretty sparkle. And then let's add, how about a rosewater opal? How yum is that? Oof. I think the rosewater opals are my favorite. The selection is just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so look at that all together. Just yummy. And I don't know, let's pull a vitriol light into this collection over here because we're just going with these purples, blues and purples, vitriol light. This one is the same color as the larger oval that I showed earlier. And it's also gorgeous. Oh, look, you can match them together. Big and small. Oh, that's beautiful. Just imagine another one of these. Let's see, on this side. And wow, you can have a real beautiful design just like that, like crown jewels. Stunning, stunning. I think these are so gorgeous, and the quality is unbeatable. Really great. Okay, and so all we have left here to show of these smaller ovals is a nice juicy peach color, which is so fun. I think this would go really well also with this one. Really cute summer palette here. And, you know, throw in a little pink and you got yourself a smoothie. Summertime, beautiful. And it also has a lacquer coating on the back. And finally, we have this heliotrope. So that is just this multicolor, like it's impossible to describe color. These are the same color. But if you look at that in different angles, you can just see just totally different flashes of green, fuchsia, purple, just some topaz, some yellow in there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's the heliotrope. So those are our 10 by 14 millimeter ovals. And I wanted to go next to these cushions because they are blowing my mind. They do look very similar to the colors that pull out over here in the heliotrope, but there's more. There's more to it. And I think this one is even more rainbowy. And so this one is called Volcano. And first of all, the facet cuts on this is just gorgeous. There's so many of them, so it flashes in so many beautiful ways. And the rainbow inside is unbelievable. So the back is, look at all those facets on the back. That's what's giving you that amazing sparkle. This is just a unicorn of a beautiful cushion cut. These are 12 millimeters. And like I said before, it's the volcano color. So probably the product photo cannot pick up all of these gorgeous tones in here. So yeah, I'm sure that it's even more beautiful in real life than you can even see on the camera, but at least you can see multiple flashes here, unlike in the picture where it's almost impossible to catch all of these rainbows. So we are going to have tons of new cushion cut colors, but this one was my favorite one, so I wanted to pull it out. We're also adding many colors of drops. These are 10 by 14 millimeter drops, and we're so excited because we didn't have drop stones before, but you guys asked, you really wanted these kinds of drop stones to work around, and I think there's a trend right now for these kinds of shapes as opposed to strictly round. So that's why we wanted to bring these to you guys and show you, probably do a few projects on how to use them and design them. These make great earrings, but also necklace focal pieces or just components around one even larger focal. And this is the heliotrope color, which is the same as these ovals that I showed earlier. As you can see, it has the same green flash on the inside and then pink all around the edges with a little bit of yellow as well. So that is, wow, beautiful. Next, I wanted to show you a little sample of chatons. We will have many of these 8mm chatons available, but I've only pulled out one color here, and this is a burgundy color. It flashes some light blue, and then there's burgundy around the edges. We do have a dainty pendant tutorial using an 8mm chaton that you should definitely check out, and you can use these guys in that no problem. And finally, probably the most exciting new addition, at least for me, is the trillion cuts. So this one is the Bermuda blue. It is similar to the violet blue, but it has less of that purple in there. And you see the back. And I also pulled out a nice trendy summer color for you to take a look at. And this is the Juicy Peach, which is the same as this color here. So a nice selection, bright colors, dark colors. Actually really like this color combo of these two together actually. And this one has this this lacquer back, so you can see what that looks like also. Nice coating, even. Can't get enough of this. Sparkle, sparkle. So there you have it. Just a quick little rundown. We wanted to show you the options available, the selection, some of the more unique and unusual new colors, as well as up close how they look, how they sparkle, the different backings that we have, from the shiny backs to the foils to the lacquers. So we wanted to show you guys how everything looks in person, or as close to in person as possible through YouTube. And yeah, so thanks so much for joining me. I'm really excited about this new arrivals, and I want you to know that we are always out there looking for new things so that you guys have the coolest, nicest, best products to make your gorgeous, inspired designs. So let me know in the comments what you think, which one is your favorite out of this selection, and also what other things you want to see. Is there a fancy stone that you want us to recreate? Is there a color that you cannot find? A shape that is brand new that no one's ever heard of? Let us know and we will look to source it for you. That's what we're here for. Again, thanks for watching, and go ahead and check out EurekaCrystalBeads.com for all of your beading and jewelry needs.